uncover the meaning behind elf's ears. Hello and welcome to today's English lesson. Have you ever heard someone mention elf's ears and wondered what it means? Well, you're in the right place to find out. Today, we're going to dive into this phrase to understand its meaning and usage in English. So, let's get started. The phrase, elf's ears, originates from folklore and mythology. Elves are often depicted as mystical creatures with pointed ears. Over time, their ears have come to symbolize a keen ability to hear. In stories, elves could hear things that humans couldn't, which sometimes represented wisdom or insight. Literally, elf's ears refers to the physical characteristic of an elf, those pointed ears we often see in fantasy books and movies. Figuratively, however, it can be used to describe someone with an exceptional ability to listen or notice things that others might miss. It's a playful way to compliment someone's sharp listening skills. When using elf's ears in conversation, it's important to understand the context. For example, if someone has overheard a quiet conversation or noticed a subtle change in someone's mood, you could say, "Wow, you have elf's ears." It's a light-hearted expression and should be used in informal situations. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, elf's ears. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of this charming expression and that you can now use it to add some magic to your conversations. Thank you for joining me, and happy listening! May you all have elf's ears in your English language adventures.